On this episode of Enchanted Adventures, we're eating at PYM Kitchen over in Walt Disney Studios at Disneyland Paris. And I was actually really surprised by this one, you guys. Stay tuned. Oh my gosh, thank you! This is cool! I love it! That would be great. It is, yes. How cute the cake is. They have soft serve ice cream for dessert. Look at these toppings for your ice cream and the little test. Oh, this is so cute.
For the kid testers, yeah.
Kid testers. Mini burgers, french fries. Oh, look how cute all of this is. Little wraps. Mousse, more quail eggs, desserts. Wow, this is insane. Salads. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the Doritos. Giant lettuce.
Dressings.
Dressings are so cute.
Little soups and dips.
It's all the gazpacho. Ceviche. Got some salmon, it looks like. Well, that's amazing. What is that? It's mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Shrimp.
Favorite.
Salmon, that's cool.
Yeah.
So cool. Giant pasta. Oh, okay, they'll make the pasta for you. It's another big sandwich. And a little sandwich. Looks like we've got some chicken. This is amazing. Look at this giant pan over here. That is so cool.
Okay.
Yeah. Brett got the beer flights. I got the signature cocktail. And this is a buffet. So cool. I prefer it already. I haven't even tried the food, and I prefer it to the test kitchen in California. Bon appetit. Every table gets a PYM pretzel, and you do get one drink included. I got Tropico, since we don't have it in the States. It's kind of like a fruit juice blend. It's delicious. Let's try the signature cocktail. I'm not even sure what it's called, but there's Sprite and blue Curacao in it, so hopefully it can't be bad. Oh, it's tart, which I wasn't expecting, but I quite like it. It's refreshing and not overly sweet, which is really hot outside today, so I dig it. Let's try this. That is delicious. The Dorito is sweet. I don't even know what it is, but I like it.
Oh.
You good?
Well,
It kind of looks like it wouldn't be.
it's a hard pretzel, but it tastes good.
All of the food is really good. My favorites have been the plant-based crab cake of all things, and they have these little Mexican rolls that are really good. They also have this melon soup. Oh, it's cold and refreshing and so delicious. When we had gazpachos last night at the buffet we went to there, I have it again here, and it is divine for hot days like this. Like a cold, refreshing soup. So hearty and just like good for your soul. Another thing to point out is they have these salt and pepper, and I guess this is like an olive oil and a vinaigrette. And they're in these little test tubes. So cute. All right, round two, we got some cold items. I had to get more of the melon soup and gazpacho. We got a sort of vegetable mousse. I got salmon tartare. Lots of different salads, quinoa salads, pasta salads, chicken wraps. I've got a regular boiled egg and a quail egg, which is so cute for the size contrast since we are at PYM's. And I had to just throw on some blue mayonnaise. I don't even want it with anything, but it was just too fun to pass up. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm scared I'm gonna like pour it too much. Here we go. Okay, let's try some of our cold plate. This is the salmon tartare. Oh my god, that is so good. I did put a little bit of salt on everything, just because, you know, I am American after all. But all of these salads that I've tried so far are so good. Oh. Wow, it's like a quinoa with avocado. And there's some sort of meat in it. Oh no, that's not meat, that's ginger. Wow. That is delicious, y'all. This is so good. Time for desserts. They have a soft serve ice cream machine that's really neat. It just plops down the perfect amount. We've got some cookie crumbles, Oreo cookie crumbles. What was it? Oh, I cannot remember what the white crumbles are right now for some reason, but the nuts are almonds and caramelized hazelnuts. We've got 3 kinds of mousse: white chocolate mousse, and hazelnut. Mousse, chocolate hazelnut mousse. This is some sort of fruit cake. I don't even know what this giant Oreo cake thing is, but it is black and it looks delicious. This is some Jell-O. We've got some cheesecake with the PYM particle. What is that? A PYM particle sign? What? No. What is it?
What is that?
This thing.
Oh yeah. That's that's what they shrink things with.
Okay, that's how you shrink the stuff. And then a mini donut. So let's give it all a try.
It looks like a donut.
Let's keep going. Let's keep trying. Brett says the donut thing is a brownie. So I've got to find out for myself. Not sweet.
Sweet?
Like a dark chocolate.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's not my favorite. This is the cheesecake. That's good. It's just so much at once.
Yeah.
All right, this is like an Oreo cake. Oh wow, that's pretty good.
Oreo cake.
Again, it's not overly sweet. The cream part is sweet. This is some sort of fruit lemon meringue cake. Oh my god.
Just one, it's 2.
Ah!
Okay?
So good.
One's for
Amazing.
our chemist,
Thank you so
plus
much.
something else.
Ah, Katya, you have been amazing. Thank you so much. You've made this experience even better.
You are the superstar, okay?
Well, thank you, Katya. Final thoughts. I'm obsessed with PYM's kitchen. I think, or PYM kitchen. I think it's.
She gave each girl their own cup set.
Oh. All right. Bye, Katya. Bye. Thank you. This place is so cool. It's huge. We loved it. The food was great. The service was exceptional. I want to look at the pictures in here. Oh, look.
That's fun. Even if you're not a Marvel fan, it's still the food is.
So they've got some fun pictures over here. There's the pretzels. Oh, look at the giant chicken. Giant strawberry. Or no, they're just small strawberries. The carrots. Oh, the Eiffel Tower is an asparagus. You see it? So cool. All right, farewell, Pim's Kitchen. Totally recommend this one, you guys. 10 out of 10.
Instead of the pretzel, they do fruit, the different fruits.
Oh, I didn't even notice
I
this.
didn't either. So here comes here's a mushroom.
Oh. Overall, I think the theming is so on point at this restaurant, and the different sizes of the food is just so fun. And much to my surprise, all of the food was really fresh and delicious, which is hard to pull off with a buffet. Of the 2 buffets we ate in Paris, this is definitely the one I preferred, and I think it's a really great bang for your buck. The last thing I want to say about this experience is the service was exceptional here. A waiter or waitress can quite literally make or break your experience, and we had the best of the best here. Katya, if you are watching this, we adore you, we appreciate you, and we wish you all the best on your new adventures, and we are loving following along with that. Guys, treat the cast members with respect, and you'll be surprised what kind of magic will happen. Overall, this restaurant is going to rank number 3 on my list. Part 5 is coming really soon, and if you want to see where we're headed next at Disneyland Paris, be sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, let me know in the comments if you would eat here, and stay magical, guys.